Concourse in a 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. We have the 10-speed auto tragic, and we're going to be doing some drifting on the Skidpad today. Getting a little bit of drift practice in for an event in a few weeks. But do you remember what set of tires we're on? We're on some random set of performance tires. Kumho's, something or other. It's like a summer performance tire. We'll take a look once we head out, but haven't done much sliding around in Mustangs, and this Mach 1 should actually be pretty fun. So we're gonna leave it in second gear. I'm gonna get my steering wheel position a little bit better. Want the wheel nice and close to you for drift action. We've got the transmission in sport mode. Mustangs want to do donuts. It is wet out today, which makes things a little bit more challenging. There we go.
Feels like a ton of front end grip.
Yeah, there's a lot of grip. Once we get these tires warmed up, that'll help. Nice. Oh yeah. The upshifts on this 10-speed are so slow. Goose poop in this corner makes it slippery. Savage geese once again entering the video in any way they can. All right, that was just poor driving skill on my part. Mustang's a pretty good drifter. I mean, rear-wheel drive, limited slip diff, lots of power. Steering's a little bit sluggish, and of course it's a bit more challenging in the wet today, but fun. Let's assess the tire situation.
That last one.
That was great.
So good.
Tires look fantastic. Cool. Yeah, this is fun. AZ850 Turo tires. 305/30 R19s. Wow, never even heard of Turo as a tire.
Turo? I think I've heard of that.
A Turo?
A Turo.
Oh, a Turo. I missed the A.
Turo.
Okay, a Turo. All right. Might as well do a few more. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty happy.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, we'll keep it rolling. Let's try a slower first gear donut here. Sliding around in the Mustang Mach 1. Bit of a handful today in the wind, but I'm sure it'll be more predictable in the dry. A lot of grip. Not as used to sliding a car around with this much traction, but does a good job. Tires are smoking just a little bit. They're just warm to the touch, so they're not even hot. All right, back in the BRZ.
BRZ.
Yeah, want to go for a drift lap?